The solution is very easy. All you have to do is go to youtube.com, right click on Magic Actions for YouTube, then select This Can Read and Change Site Data on youtube.com. That's it. You can stop watching the video. The rest of the video is just the explanation of what just happened. You need to be on youtube.com because otherwise we cannot set This Can Read and Change Site Data on youtube.com, but whatever website was open in the current tab. And the reason why we need to read and change site data on youtube.com is because that's all the extension is supposed to do. But instead, it takes advantage of the access to all sites by showing a fake page saying your Chrome is out of date even though your browser is up to date and is not even Chrome but any other browser based on Chromium, which can be Chromium itself, it can be Brave browser, it can be Microsoft Edge. That's what I'm using. And you should keep in mind that this method of getting rid of that shady page prevents the user from using the snapshot aka capture feature of the extension. So if you want to use it, you will need to temporarily set This Can Read and Change Site Data to all sites. And that's it. Like the video if it helped you, and I hope you have a great day.